friends, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Now in this video we will see how we can change the package name in the Flutter application. Now there are a lot of couple methods you can do. We will use the simplest method in this video. So let's get started. So open the Flutter project and then go for now. First we will change for the Android. So go into Android folder, then app, and for the build. In the build section, go to main and then first manifest. You can see the package name here. Just change it what you want. Avail, then AV. Okay, now you can also change it from the to other file. Now you have to go to build.gradle. Just open it and you will see the package name here. Same thing put here. Avail AV. Now we have done for that. And now for the iOS, just go to iOS folder. Now the Flutter and app framework and open the info.plist file. Now inside the info.plist file, you have to go to CF bundle identifier. Now change the app package here, com dot avail.av. So you have done the change app. You can change from the Xcode, but this was the simplest method we use. Hope you enjoy my video. Please do subscribe my channel.